Hi, I'm Vuk Vujasinovic with VB Attorneys here in Houston. I want to tell you the explanation behind the claims of those flood victims who have been referred to in court hearings and documents as Downstream and Upstream. The Downstream group is primarily people owning private properties east of the dams of the Addicks and Barker reservoirs. Most of these properties are situated along the Buffalo Bayou in neighborhoods such as Fleetwood, River Forest, Woods on Memorial, Concord Bridge, Walnut Bend, and Lakeside Forest. The government accumulated a large amount of stormwater in the Addicks and Barker reservoirs, both of which are designed, owned, and operated by the government. The government decided to open its dams and release the water that it had collected by the design and operation of its reservoirs into the Buffalo Bayou. The Upstream group is primarily people owning properties west of both reservoirs, north of Addicks and south of Barker. Many of these properties are located in the Katy area in neighborhoods such as Bear Creek Village, Cinco Ranch South Park, Lakes on Eldridge, Canyon Gate at Cinco Ranch, Grand Lakes, and Park Lake Village. The government designed and operated its reservoirs to accumulate large amounts of stormwater, not only in its reservoirs, but also on land that the government does not own, on land owned by private citizens. In fact, about half the storage capacity of the government's reservoirs falls beyond government-owned land, which amounts to about 8,700 acres. Based on information that we have obtained so far, in our opinion, number one, the government knew where this water would go and which properties would be flooded. And number two, at a minimum, it was foreseeable to the government where this water would go and which properties would be flooded, which in fact is all we're required to show to win these types of takings lawsuits against the government. The bottom line is this. In our opinion, based on our analysis of the Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution and applicable case law, the government took these downstream and upstream properties by flooding them, and each set of property owners have very strong claims against the government. We are still accepting clients. For a free consultation, please go to hurricaneharveylawsuithelp.com, submit your information by clicking the Contact Us button. Thank you.